Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, we all Prophet's wives were in his company and none of us was absent. Meanwhile, Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha came. Her gait closely resembled the gait of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw her, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam welcomed her saying, "O my daughter, welcome." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then settled her on his right or left side and then whispered something to her. She whereupon wept bitterly. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed her grief, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again told her something privately. She whereupon laughed. I said to Hazrat Fatima, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam exclusively chose you among his women for telling a secret, after which you burst into tears. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, went away, I asked Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha, what did Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say to you? Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha replied, I will not disclose the secret of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, after Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had passed away, I said to her, I ask you for the sake of the right I exercise over you to tell me what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam told you. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha said, yes, now I will tell you. When he first time whispered to me, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam informed me that Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam used to revise the Quran with him once or twice each year, but he had revised it with him twice this year. I think my departure time has drawn near. So you must fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and be patient, for I am undoubtedly a good forerunner of you. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha said, I thereupon burst into tears as you saw. Then observing my impatience, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again told me in undertones, O Fatima, aren't you pleased at it that you are the chief of believing women, or the chief of the women of this ummah? Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha said, I whereupon loved as you witnessed. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6263.